In the digital age, humanity is undergoing a silent transformation. Our bodies and minds are adapting to the constant presence of technology, but at what cost? The term brain rot has a rich history, dating back to 1854 when Henry David Thoreau first used it in his book Walden. Thoreau critiqued society's preference for simplicity over complexity, likening it to potato rot, a widespread issue in Europe at that time. He questioned whether society would address this brain rot, which he saw as a pervasive decline in intellectual engagement. Fast forward to the 2000s when the internet is mainstream. By 2023, brain rot resurfaced online, linked to excessive digital media consumption. It became a cultural phenomenon, especially among Gen Z and Gen Alpha on TikTok.
LeBron James asked his hairline. He was like, "Hairline, you gonna get on your kite and fly with the bumblebees today?"
It's me, your dry skin. I know I can be challenging, but I'm deeper than what you see. I'm craving something we're missing. The ceramides in syrup.
On TikTok, brain rot gained popularity through memes, humorous skits, and influencers discussing digital burnout. The hashtag BrainRot has been used over 500,000 times, catapulting the term into mainstream conversations. For 2024, Oxford University Press chose brain rot as its word of the year, reflecting concerns about the impact of excessive consumption of low-quality online content, especially on social media. Now, why is this a big deal? Brain rot impairs memory, reduces problem-solving skills, and shortens attention spans. It leads to mental fatigue, emotional instability, and decreased productivity. Brain rot is dangerous because it not only affects cognitive abilities but also emotional well-being. It can lead to depression, anxiety, and desensitization due to prolonged exposure to negative content. Social media triggers dopamine releases, creating a cycle of addiction. This can lead to emotional instability and cognitive deficits, as the brain becomes reliant on instant gratification. But the brain rot is just the beginning. Our bodies are also changing. The text neck syndrome causes neck pain from constant phone use. There is something called the iPhone finger. It may not be a medical condition, but prolonged phone use can lead to musculoskeletal issues. There are other ailments like the smartphone elbow, trigger finger. Cyber sickness related ailments like eye strain and dizziness also exist. Humans are designed for challenge and interaction. Brain rot and these physical ailments betray this natural state, leaving us detached and mentally drained. Is there a cure? Of course there is. Limit screen time, engage in meaningful activities, and reconnect with nature. Break free from brain rot and reclaim your mind. The choice is yours. Will you let brain rot define your future, or will you rise above it? Your mind is capable of greatness. Don't let it rot.